Hey, Todd Usher with Addison Homes, and today we are talking about how we protect our insulated Stemwall slab foundations from termites. So as you've seen, when we pour a Stemwall insulated slab foundation, we lay a block stem wall from a concrete footing, creating a little ledge for our slab, and we insulate that ledge with rigid foam board. That prevents us from having heat loss out of the edges of the slab in colder temperatures and really gives us a high performance slab foundation that will give our clients and the homeowners here maximum comfort year round. But one of the things we have to bear in mind is we are in a high termite infestation zone. So we have lots of termites in the soil here, and we treat our wood for termites, but that foam insulation, that foam perimeter around the slab could potentially be an entryway for termites. So what you see here is a peel and stick flashing product that does two things. Number one, we're capping that edge of foam with this peel and stick termite flashing. Number two, it's also a vapor barrier, so it prevents any moisture that might come up through the stem wall from coming up into our wood. So it's a capillary break on the perimeter of our slab as well. And you might say, well, peel and stick flashing, how does that stop termites? Well, this product is made by Polyguard. It's called Term, and it is a termite barrier system that has been tested extensively at Texas A&M University to ensure that it truly functions as a termite barrier. So what happens here is, since we have that edge, that raw edge of foam capped with the Term barrier, the termites might come up, but they're going to stop. They're going to be stopped right there with the barrier. So it's kind of belt and suspenders here. We're treating the wood with a borate pre-treatment. Talk about that in another video. But then we're also capping the entry points for termites to make sure that they can't come up. So belt and suspenders approach, making sure that we give this house the maximum durability from all sources, including nature, termites, so that it will last for hundreds of years. And as you can see, what we do first is we apply a spray adhesive. It's actually this 3M Holdfast 70. We use it to attach the foam board to the foundation when we're laying the stem wall and getting it all insulated. We found that it also works very well to bond the termite guard, the Polyguard Term barrier, down to the concrete. They do make a flashing, a roll applied flashing. It is so messy. And we found this Holdfast 70 just does a great job. So we spray that Holdfast 70 first, and then we simply peel and stick the termite barrier down, wrapping it around our foundation bolts, and then we'll apply some termite mastic that Term also makes around those penetrations that just gives some added protection against the termites coming up. So, pretty simple approach, but I wanted to address it because I'm sure you've seen our Stemwall slab foundations and the fact that that perimeter insulation, if you're from a high termite infestation area, could be a possible entry point for termites. So wanted to share what we've learned here with the Term system in hopes that it will help you build a far more durable and termite resistant foundation for your new build. So if you've enjoyed this educational video, please follow us on YouTube, like this video, and follow us on our other social media channels. We're always out to share best practices in high performance building to educate you, whether you're a builder or a homeowner or just curious. We want to share best practices with you. Thanks for joining us.